All right, hey team, hey friends, hey fam, Angel checking in with a real brief message. I'm going to do the accessories on your new SRX Rainbow cleaning systems. So what I'm going to do is, next one I'm going to show you is actually the what's called Rainbow Complete, and this is for any kind of hard floor surfaces. Okay, so to set it up, very simple. What we're going to do is disconnect the button right here, press it, lift it, and this one comes with its own actual pipe for the second at the bottom. Okay, so I'll show you how that goes. All right, face it this way so you guys can kind of see. There we go. All right, so this one is the first one we're going to use. 2, 3, and then this is the last one. Okay, so I'll show you real quick how to use each one. There we go. Put this one there. And this one here. So what you do is you take it out of the bag. This has a bottle where you put the water in. All right, so what you do is you fill it almost to the top with water. Okay, this is just a little cap, and then you put a cap full of the soap solution inside there. All right, and then when you put it back, all right, we actually have the solution, okay, either the floor cleaner solution or you could use the mop solution, whichever one. Okay, that's the floor cleaner solution. You put it in there. All right, once you do that, what you're going to do, take this out of the bag, and this replaces the bottom head, okay? And then what you're going to do is you connect it right here at the top, all right? And it's ready to go. So you have that connection and that connection, it's ready. All right, now, the only difference here is the machine is going to be completely empty because the dirty water that this sprays and you scrub, you suck it up, the dirty water is going to go into there. Okay, so what you do is you turn the machine on. When you turn the machine on, nothing happens until you press the action trigger button, which is the blue one here. So when you turn the machine on, then you press the trigger, the solution is going to come out over here in the back, so it sprays out that way. You spray, you scrub, spray, scrub, turn it to the other side, and you're going to pull towards you. If you push forward, you'll see the water not getting sucked up. So what you want to do is you go that way and you pull towards you. So that's actually the scrub brush. If you have tile floors or linoleum, my suggestion is first you scrub it good, scrub it good, scrub it good. Do a 3-foot, like a 3-foot section at a time, so you can spray the water, scrub it, turn it to the other side, and then you squeegee the water completely dry, and then you go to the next area. Spray, scrub, 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 turn it, and then you squeegee the water. Just apply a little pressure here, gets it closer to the ground, and leaves it drier. All right, and then you take this one off. Initially, my suggestion, use this one for the first couple of weeks. It's nylon bristles, so it's like you getting on your hands and knees without getting on your hands and knees. After you use this for a few times, then you can switch a couple of weeks later to the sponge. The sponge also has a squeegee. So what you do is you same thing, lather, turn it to the other side, and it'll squeegee the water right up. All right, so that's for quicker cleanups. And lastly, you have the one for the wood floors or quick shine-ups. All right, this is for wood floors, linoleum or tile. Most people are using this for the wood floors. It has the pad inside. It's Velcro. What you do is just put the Velcro pad on there, okay? And then you snap this on, and it's the same thing. Lather, and give it a sheen and give it a shine. Use half the house with one, half the house with the other, or upstairs one pad, downstairs the other. Put them in the washer dry and they come out like brand new. So that's on the Rainbow Complete. Any questions, obviously reach out to me anytime. Remember, once again, the water container reservoir is going to be empty. So there you have it. That's how to use your Rainbow Complete, the Rainbow Complete. Have a great day.